N&J's Festival Race by Nicholas Jackson. Special event mission statement. This event will help bring in multiple sponsors as well as money for admission due to the attraction of the festival race. For this festival race, I feel we are qualified staff with excellent coordination and planning skills. So from that, I feel we guarantee you 100% satisfaction during the festival race. Also, we hope to be able to service you well to make sure that this day is a special and exciting day for you and your family to enjoy a grand event of racing and leaving with nothing to talk about but the race and how you enjoyed yourself. This event consists of a 10 lap around the track as like NASCAR race. Event goals. I am wanting to accomplish a good festival race and make it like a celebrated event to occur every year. I would like to create an award as well for the winner, and by doing that, that will help bring in more money for this race. I feel like if I put a prize on the event, on the race I'm setting up, I feel like more people will put more money in to be able to join the race as well to watch the race. Also, I would like to make this event be a moneymaker for the event and as well the businesses and communities surrounding the festival. Event setup details. I will need sponsors to be able to earn money additional ways for my event. Also, I will need people wanting to participate in the race by paying a $200 car entry for the race in Bristol Motor Speedway in Bristol, Tennessee. I will host this in the month of April due to warm weathers, and also I will host it on the weekend. April 24th, 2001, 2 p.m. The festival race will start in Bristol, Tennessee. Technology and needs and plans. Technology I will use will be Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Post videos, post flyers. And also, the plan is to use social media to promote the event and to show how fun this event will be as well. Let them acknowledge if won, they awarded the prize winner of the festival race. So if you win, you will receive an award. So probably money or probably a trophy. And I would interest people to want to join the race to win that award and as well bring in others to want to watch the races because it'd be amusing to watch, especially at Bristol. Venues required Bristol Motorsport Speedway. I will need for this event. I will need to use this racetrack for my derby race due to how many individuals may attend for the race. Also we'll need few pit crew members to help out for the cars at will be in the event to make sure the cars are good enough to participate. Budget and pricing information. Admission for this event for the races will be $200 for car entry in the race. The admission to watch the festival race is $25 entry, but also depends on the seating tickets to go from $25 to $70. Equipment will be $50. Supplies such as water, snacks, and accessories will cost up to $300 for the event. Staff will cost $60 per poster. Commentators for the event will cost $100 per poster. From this event, I'm thinking I will make an income of $50,000 or more due to the entry pay for the races and as well the population of the audience that comes to fill the seats. And I feel I will as well make more money because I will have sponsors as well to help come along with this event as it comes together. Registration plan. Individuals will register on my website I will create for this festival race. And also for this festival race to rent Bristol Motorsport Speedway, it will be $15,000 for just a day. staffing, volunteer recruitment, and plans. We will have police, EMS, college students to help out running the missions, entrance, concession stands, and as well guiding traffic on the way. And as well, we will have firefighters out there just in case if a car catches on fire during the race. And to be able to work it, you have to be 18 or older to be able to work this event. And as well, I will need 20-30 volunteers for this event because Bristol is really kind of big. And as well, we will need security guards to help keep everything cleared as well with the police officers. Risk management plans. If an incident occurs during this race, we will have emails to step in to help the situation. As well as if a fire breaks out, we will have firefighters to come to help take out the fire for if it in a car accident. And if any altercation occurs with the racers or fans in the crowd, we will have the police to handle that if needed to. Also, if traffic is packed, we'll have the police and our college students that volunteer to help guide traffic so it wouldn't be a big jam. Event evaluation. I will evaluate the event of the earning as well the population of the event to know next time the event occurs again to see if the population and the money increase or decrease the next time the event is held. I will need to evaluate admissions on how much people paid for seating areas, also evaluate the amount of food was purchased, and as well accessories and clothing and hats such as bought. Also, I'll need to evaluate our staff and volunteers to make sure they had fun working as well instead of just thinking of it as a job to do. Thank you.